Thomson proposed atomic model to overcome the limitations of the Dalton theory. He explained atomic model based on cathode ray experiment. We can see the figure 2.1. We have a 2 points. One is cathode, one more is anode, which is fitted into the vacuum tube. Finally, it is connected to the high voltage point. When we can apply the high voltage, the negatively charged particles released from cathode to anode. This is great observation in this atomic model. For this observation, he got a Nobel Prize. Why? Because we can see in the chemistry, in terms of to form a bond between the two atoms or two molecules, pair of electrons only. The electrons are discovered J.J. Thomson. That's why his model is great important to us. What is the main important points of this theory? An atom is contained spherical cloud of positive and negative charges. Electrons are present inside the cloud. Atom is nothing but ball. The electrons are embedded into that particular spherical shape. One more thing is, an atom as a whole electrically neutral. That means number of positive charges and number of negative charges are equal. What are the limitations of this particular theory? Is lack of nucleus. Thomson cannot explain about the nucleus inside the atom. And one more thing is, he cannot explain stability of the atom in the nature. And what is the great importance of this theory is, Thomson is successfully identified electrons inside the atom. This is the great discovery into the chemistry. And one more thing is, he proved the atomic model of the Dalton is completely wrong to explain the structure of the atom. Thank you.